Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting everything Earth Studio needs: your KML/KMZ, exact coordinates, and a clear duration for the shot. Once ready, open Google Earth Studio and create a new project. Choose your resolution and frame rate and name the timeline. You'll set the map type and import the KML now so the layers appear. Make sure to lock the camera target to the feature you'll animate, because that anchor controls how the subsequent keyframes move. You now construct the motion. Place keyframes for camera position, tilt, heading, and zoom at meaningful timestamps. Once done, switch easing on each keyframe so movements accelerate and decelerate naturally, and tweak Bezier handles to avoid robotic motion. If you need close-ups, add a second camera layer and cut to it. Group keyframes into scenes to keep things organized. Make sure to preview frequently. Scrubbing the timeline reveals stutter or unnatural rotation that you can then smooth out. You finish by choosing Render Output. Export MP4 for quick delivery or an image sequence for compositing, and set bitrate and export path. Start a short test render of 10-20 seconds to confirm quality. If you see jitter, add intermediate keyframes or enable motion blur. If tiles are missing, toggle time of day or re-import the KML and retry. Finally, render full duration and verify the file plays smoothly. If not, lower resolution and repeat troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.